Okay, so we're now going to add the constellation that you chose onto this background. We'll begin by clicking Add Actor, and we're going to draw our own design. I'll begin by selecting a smaller size star, so somewhere around 5 or 6, and we'll change the color into like a yellow. So I'm going to select yellow and make sure it's around 5 or 6. I've chosen Ursa Major, which is the Big Dipper, and I'm just going to quickly sketch out what I think the Ursa Major looks like while I'm staring at a picture of it. Something like that. Now this will be saved, and you'll notice that it shows up on my screen over here. Now, to create that twinkling effect, the glittering or the shimmering of the stars, I'm going to actually just duplicate this picture. So let me start off by just naming this Ursa Major. Now that I have that, this second box, you'll see there's two pictures here. That causes it to duplicate. So I'm going to duplicate Ursa Major, and I'm going to name this Ursa Major number 2. And what I now have is one copy here and a second copy. Well, on the second copy, I'm going to change the size of the star. So I'm going to go back in and edit. And instead of leaving it at setting 6, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, maybe somewhere around 10, maybe even 11. So we'll go with 11. And again, make sure it's yellow, same color star. And what I'm going to do is just go over these same dots and click on them again. They don't have to be exactly on there. In fact, it looks a little bit better if it's off to the side on some of them. Just a little bit off. So now all I've done is I've just traced over that same Ursa Major. I'm going to save it. And when you just look at this, you'll see that there's two different star charts. It's hard to see the pictures because they're in yellow, but there's two star charts here. So let me close this up and you can see it. Now that we have this, when I run this program, you can actually see the two stars twinkling. So this is that'll be the next step, is to learn how to code these two stars twinkling.